What's up, YouTube? Today we're exploring Mare Island in Vallejo, California. It's an abandoned naval base. Not all the way abandoned, but mostly abandoned, and a beautiful place to just go walk around and explore. And that's what we're gonna do. So let's go check it out. Really cool old buildings. I don't know if these are old captain's quarters or what, but they look like people still live in them almost. Got this beautiful house here. Looks like they do wine tastings, vino, grandfather tasting room. This one is going to convert into the Quarters Coffee House here. These places are really amazing. Let's go up on the porch on this one. It looks empty, so maybe we can see inside. It's gorgeous. I always wanted a big porch like this. Ornate stuff right on the side of the house there. Down to the haunted basement. So gorgeous. This old eagle statue here. July 1876. And here you got the Admiral's Mansion,
They came out.
currently being restored. The Historic Preservation Fund. It looks like we might even be able to go around back here a little bit. Garden back here looks like. I'm recording you too. Little succulent bird bath here. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful out here. Another one here that looks empty enough to take a peek in the windows. You can see the kitchen in the back, the fireplace, old radiator right there. California black walnut tree. And then this one here is a European white birch tree. Stained glass. St. Peter's Chapel. This is the church on the base. So you can actually go inside here. Gorgeous stained glass here.
The city of Vallejo has entrusted to us to kind of maintain, as this is as well, as the museum.
Absolutely beautiful. Stained glass everywhere.
We have an event on April 13th.
So then, John, you can sign on it, it says, front porch, it says,
Historic pictures here. So they got a basketball court, tennis court, pickleball going over here. I don't know what all of these cement structures are, but there is a ton of them ahead. sure it had some significance to the Navy base. If anybody knows what these were for in the comment section, please educate me. Spotted some dogs in the Beatles' yellow submarine down there. Please, if anybody knows, but it feels like every single one of these had a door on it at one time. I don't know if it's like bomb shelters or weapon storage, but there's a ton of these blocked out around here. Here's a park up here with a beautiful gazebo, but a couple more interesting items as well. Walk through the bullets here. Some cannons in the distance. A spar torpedo. Apparently this bell here signified to start work and stop work for Mare Island. It was created in 1860. November 1961, 25 courageous men took an historic step towards ending long-standing racial discrimination at Mare Island Naval Shipyard. The original 2125. Marine Division in memory of a few of the members there, all of the members there. And then up here we got a couple cannons. .24-pounder from the USS Independence. And then this one over here we got big one. A 10-inch Dahlgren smoothbore cannon from the USS Hartford. This missile here. So I was given this paper here that kind of explained all the artifacts in this park, along with the Mare Island Historic Park information here. If you go to that website down below, you can be notified of the upcoming events. But he said this missile or torpedo or missile was actually shot from submarines, and then they have another one over here that was also shot from the submarines. So if they had, you can imagine how big the actual submarines are if they had multiple of these firing from it. Wood carved eagle that I showed earlier was built in 1876. Graham Bell, the guy who put the patent in for the telephone. Same year he arrived in San Francisco. We got a crow sitting up there. On top of this memorial here. So I guess there used to be a museum over here in this building, but I was just informed that they had to close it due to structural integrity with the earthquakes in there. So super unfortunate, but I was excited to try and go see some artifacts they had, because I'm sure it would have been really impressive. Got this old crane out here. Check this out. Submarine sail. That is the submarine that was launching those missiles. The USS Mariano G. Vallejo, which in the area we would say Vallejo. But before you stands the sail of the USS Vallejo. Over the course of 142 years, Mare Island's Naval Shipyard, Mincy, built over 500 major ships out here. Submarines came here 1964 to 65. The ballistic missile submarine, SSBN 658, was named in honor of the California general in her hometown. That's just the one little section that would pop up out of the water there. And I guess a lot of the ships were built out here. Sailboat. On the actual submarine here. Diorama, the engine room, the reactor, the missile room, the navigation room, the bridge was up there in the sail that you saw. Got this cool metal fish sculpture here. So here's more of these cement structures with all the doors on it. And I asked the gentleman who gave me the paper earlier what these were, and I was right. They were bunkers that they all started building right after Pearl Harbor happened, like the next day, because they were afraid that something might happen over here with the Japanese as well. So they started putting these bunkers up that you'll see all across Mare Island as just safety. So that was a quick, well, I won't say quick, but I feel like there's a lot of stuff that we didn't look at while we were here. We're gonna drive around and see if there's anything more. But I appreciate all you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And like and subscribe, leave a comment, educate me. All of that stuff really helps the algorithm and my videos get seen. I hope to keep shooting more. Yeah, appreciate all of you. Hope you have a beautiful day, y'all. Stay blessed. Peace.